Alright guys, today we are installing the tempered glass screen protector. So Tesla does a really cool thing according to my friend. He placed it in screen cleaning mode, which means it doesn't get activated when upon touching the screen, and also gives me a darker background to work with. Alright, here goes. Sammy, I'm quite nervous. You'll be fine. So it's like measured exactly to the edges, so I have to like really be careful. Already I see a couple of things that I don't, it's kind of yeah. So how am I going to approach this? I'm going to remove this backing like so. And start from this edge. Alright, dude. Just gonna let it work slowly. Good. Alright, so it's cleared up. I have a couple of air bubbles here. We would try to squeegee it out. Oh, that one went away. And then this one. Let me get a closer look. Alright, so here's a closer look. The air bubble is here. I'll try and just rub this out. Just a little bit of force. There's one over here. Right there. I will push this out the edge. Just kind of finesse it out. And then right here, that's the last one. Finesse this out, hopefully. Okay. It's still there, not perfect. Right, and then the last one I thought I got rid of, but it's right here. So we'll hopefully over time it's gonna come out not the perfect job. Sorry.
It's good.
You got one here. It was bigger before, but just use like your gloves later to maybe finesse it a little bit, but don't press too hard. And then your fingerprint greasy. Okay. Alright, so this concludes the installation of our glass screen protector with a matte film over it. Sammy, can I hold to the exit?
Yeah.
Alright. So overall, exits in 3. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, so here is the after and how it looks. You want to come in? Sorry.
Oh, that's good. That's it.
So
pretty good.
It reduces glare, right?
Yeah. You can see on your screen, right?
Yeah. I see in each angle, like different angles, it's no problems. I would recommend this. In terms of fitment, edge to edge, looks nice. Luckily, there's no specks of dust under the screen protector. So, wow, this is nice, man.
Yeah, I like it.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Thanks for having me film. And take care.